Not all planets are built to last. Some worlds live quiet, stable lives for billions of years. Others are pushed to the very edge of destruction. About 900 light-years from Earth, astronomers discovered a planet so close to its star that it is literally being pulled apart. This is WASP-121b, a world where the atmosphere is escaping into space. WASP-121b was discovered in 2015 orbiting a bright F-type star. It belongs to a class of planets known as hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit extremely close to their parent stars. But WASP-121b is not just close, it is dangerously close. In fact, the planet sits near the Roche limit, the distance at which a star's gravity can begin to tear a planet apart. WASP-121b completes one full orbit in only about 30 Earth hours. That means its year is barely longer than a single day on Earth. Because of this tight orbit, the planet is bombarded with intense stellar radiation. Its atmosphere is heated to extreme temperatures, well above 2,500 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to vaporize metals, hot enough to radically transform the chemistry of the sky. Using the Hubble Space Telescope and other instruments, astronomers observed something remarkable. The upper atmosphere of WASP-121b appears to be expanding and escaping into space. Instead of remaining tightly bound, the planet's outer layers are being stretched outward by intense heat and stellar gravity. In some observations, scientists detected signatures of hydrogen, magnesium, and iron flowing away from the planet. WASP-121b is not just hot, it is slowly evaporating. Because WASP-121b orbits so close to its star, tidal forces are enormous. The planet is likely tidally distorted, meaning it is stretched slightly into an oval shape. One side faces the star permanently. The day side becomes an inferno, while the night side remains only slightly cooler. This extreme imbalance drives powerful atmospheric flows around the planet. WASP-121b's atmosphere contains materials rarely seen in such extreme environments. Observations suggest the presence of water vapor, ionized metals, and possibly exotic cloud layers. At these temperatures, even heavy elements can exist in vapor form. It is an atmosphere where familiar chemistry breaks down and new processes take over. Planets like WASP-121b may not live forever. As the atmosphere continues to escape, the planet slowly loses mass. Over millions or billions of years, such extreme worlds may be stripped down to their cores. WASP-121b offers astronomers a rare snapshot of a planet in the process of change, a world caught in the act of transformation. WASP-121b is more than just an extreme curiosity. It helps scientists understand how planetary atmospheres behave under extreme heat, how tidal forces reshape worlds, and how some planets may ultimately be destroyed. Each observation brings us closer to understanding the full diversity of planetary systems in our galaxy. WASP-121b is not a quiet world. It is a planet under stress, heated, stretched, and slowly losing pieces of itself to the darkness of space. From afar, it is just another distant dot of light. But up close, it tells a dramatic story about the fragile balance between planets and stars. This is WASP-121b, a planet being pushed to its limits.